um, over the past year, a lot of roads has been completed by the government, and a lot as well are under construction with yet to reach completion. Hello guys, welcome back again into our channel. Yeah, we are back here once again into another very interesting video. So yeah, we are right now at Jeshwang, New Jeshwang. So here as well, if you are very familiar with here as well, you will know there was some road construction in progress here, which is as well a part of the ongoing OIC roads being constructed across the greater Banjul area. So here as well is part of the package. We all know the OIC is currently the heaviest ongoing project in the Gambia, because it is about to host a very big international Islamic gathering. So these are some of the structures they are trying to put in place prior to the commencement of the event. So yeah, this is New Jeshwang. You can see these are the developments here. The ongoing of the road has been on course for some while now, you can see. So yeah, let's explore this place today and see how far they are going with the work here. So you can see it's like here they haven't gone much far with work here. It's like you can see the canals right there, for the swift passage of water. The construction of the canals are actually underway, but you can see the groundwork. If the groundwork is concerned, there hasn't been much progress, because even the first layer of the asphalt is not being put in place yet. But nonetheless, they're still at work. The work is very active here. So as I was saying, here as well is part of the OIC package. So yeah, today we are here to show you this side of the greater Banjul area as well. So this is how it looks here in New Jeshwang. So yeah. So you can see this is as well another side of the road. Here is where projects to the tail end of as well connect highway that leads to. So here as well the construction is in progress. So yeah, it's very interesting here, as you can see. So here guys, you can see the concrete layers are right now being put on the ground, as you can see. So if you look closely, you will notice it's like concrete. The ground is being concrete. So From the looks, you can tell this is such a very huge project, and this has to come up with a very expensive funding. So yeah, they are doing a very interesting work here. You can see this is the concrete work here, which is already on the way. As I was saying, this is the road that connects to the main highway that leads to Banjul. Yeah, New Jeshwang right now. Still on the projects of the OIC. This is as well a part of the projects of the OIC, as you can see. So yeah, interesting. It looks very beautiful. These places are known to be very inundated during the rainy season. Which is making the passage of pedestrians and cars very tedious here during the months of the rainy season. So yeah, you can tell once this the construction of this road is done, it will go a long way into easing the mobility of people, on their daily businesses. So you can see they have gone really far. If here is concerned, as you can see, all this part is being concreted, and it looks very, very beautiful. So yeah, as you can see, as I was saying, here is as well a junction. It's look like the main junction from New Jeshwang. Here is where it connects with the highway that leads to Banjul. So yeah, the construction is still ongoing, but they're making significant progress here, as you can see. These are some of the machinery that has been left out here. The workers are actually not on the ground. Probably they are on a break also. So yeah, this is New Jeshwang. Another section of the OIC roads construction project. So you can see here is where it ends. Here is as well where it connects with the highway that leads to Banjul, as I was saying earlier. So as you can see, guys, we are still at New Jeshwang. So you can see the cemetery of the New Jeshwang right there. This is the cemetery of the New Jeshwang Muslims, and here as well is for the Christians. So yeah, as I was saying earlier, the road that stretches from right inside the New Jeshwang town, comes to an end here, and here is where it connects back to the highway that leads to Banjul. So here as well you can see the road as well is under construction, but you will not it is not the road that is laid on the ground here. It's completely concrete, which I am assuming will make much more stronger and durable. And they made very big canals as well for the easy passage of water. So yeah, it is very neat here, as you can see. Very, very, very neat work going on here. So guys, you can see we are still at New Jeshwang right now. This is the new road that is under construction here in New Jeshwang. So yeah, from watching this you will realize that Gambia is taking a new phase of innovation. Over the past year, a lot of roads has been completed by the government, and a lot as well are under construction with yet to reach completion. So all in all, we will agree that this will definitely go a long way into easing the movement of people within the greater Banjul area, which I think we should all commend the government for. The government isn't being appreciated for a lot of issues, but this is their accomplishment in which you just have to commend them for. So yeah, this is Smile Gambia. If you find this video interesting, please subscribe to the channel, like and share this video. This is New Jeshwang. As I was saying earlier, this road stage is all over and connects to the main highway that leads to Banjul. We are edging much more closer to the highway that leads to Banjul now. You can oversee the GTTI there. That is the Gambia Technical and Training Institute. So yeah, it's like this was all we have for you today. We came to Jeshwang to show you the developments of the ongoing OIC road here. So this is how far they have gone if here is concerned. So we look forward to catching up with you again into other very interesting videos. This is Smile Gambia. I am Sering Mas Jalo, and the beautiful lady behind the camera is Fatu George. So we look forward to catching up with you once again. Have a good day. Bye bye.